I think it's always special for me to make something that will exist locally near where I've lived and grown up and spent the majority of my life. This piece is really, it started with a drawing. It was very gestural with these loops and these continuous lines creating this kind of barrel form. I roll these arcs with a tubing roller. They're actually solid stainless rod, so it's quite a bit of weight when it's finished. And then we just place them. I have this wood frame, this armature that everything is wrapped around to keep it consistent, and that will be removed. And you'll just have this great skin made up of all these lines, similar to my drawing. I do want people to interact with it and treat it as almost an architectural volume or space. I want them to get up close to it, to feel it, to walk around it. Something that you would go inside and maybe ruminate on just the light that's coming through. Yeah, I think it'll be a playful piece. To have this in Denver for CSU at the National Western Complex, I mean, that's special for me.